Hi everyone, welcome to Buzzama.com. Today we are going to walk through how to list a product on Buzzama.com. So once you type on Buzzama.com, you click on Start Selling and log in. Once you registered as a seller on Buzzama.com, we use your ID, password, or you use either email or phone number using OTP. You can sign in both ways. So now I'm using the password in this case. Click on sign in. Once you logged in, you see the overview dashboard. Uh, Now today we are going to talk about listing. Now I on the left hand side click on listings. So here you can see add new listing. On the right hand top corner you have a add new listing. We are providing three types of listings. One is new listing, quick listing, upload CSV or XLS. Again, in new listing there are two different types: single variant listing, multivariant listing. So now today we are going to uh, discuss about new listing, which is single variant. So once you click on new listing, you have a option single variant or multivariant. Now this is the single variant I'm going to guide you through here. This is SKU. SKU means that which represents unique code for your product. So now let's say our store name is Crafted Roots. I would say CR Crafted Roots, and we are going to create a sample product, the terracotta necklace set. So it says terracotta, and the model number is 543. So this is how you can customize your product SKU. Or if you don't have in your store, if you don't have anyone that has unique code in your store, you can very well take out and then simply click on generate. So throughout this product listing, whatever the title has star mark next to this, those are mandatory fields that we expect the seller to fill all the details. Now, in today's example, I'm going to list a terracotta necklace set. Now, this is a product title. I'm going to give this product name is maximum 250 characters that are allowed to list on the product. Now, this is we have to select the category. Now, since this is necklace, I'll choose necklaces and then go to subcategory. We have a choker, layer, temple, kundan, different types of necklace subcategories. Now, since this is terracotta, I'll choose terracotta and then product details. So product details is something you can give more details about the product and in very details. In this case, I'm using my product description like this one, which is like elevate your style with our exquisite terracotta Lakshmi design necklace. So now you are going to upload the images. So images are a very important part. The more detailed photos you upload, the more chances like customers will see and quickly purchase your product. So the more detailed products are, that would be helpful for the customers. Now click on images. Now I have three images for this particular product. Now I'm going to click on three images. So I have uploaded three images here. Whichever you click on again, that will become the main image for this product, for this particular product. So in this case, I choose this one, or if you choose this one, this is going to be appeared as main image in the Buzzama.com. So now I'm going to select this one, and then handmade is yes or no. If it is a machine made, you can select no. If it is handmade, since terracotta is handmade always, so that is yes. So customizable, yes or no. So you can select either yes or no. Yes means if you select yes, that means you are providing options to the customer. Let's say you have this terracotta necklace that is with the green and red stones. Now let's say you should be able to do with the black stones, orange stones, anything that you can do with the same design, you can very well provide customizable. So since the example product that we can do customize with any style of products, any style of stones you want. So now we are saying customizable, yes sir. The shape. So since again we are going to discuss about size and fit section, which is like a shape, length, and width, height, weight. So shape is like a mostly necklaces are round. I'm going to use the round, and length is 20 inches, width is 3 inches, height is 20. And then how much weight of the necklace? I would say 50 grams. So the material, again, we are going to move on to next section, which is material and care. If you have that information, please very well fill that. Again, throughout the listing, the more details you provide, the more awareness you are giving to the customer about the product, which will help them to decide for a quick purchase. Now, in this case, I'm using natural clay. And care instructions, you can, so what are the care instructions to maintain the quality and the same appearance for some time for customers to wear all the time. Now I would say this is not waterproof, store in dry and cool place, do not expose to the sun, something like that. So these are the care instructions, and now we are going to move on to next section, specifications. Since these material and care and specification doesn't have a star next to each one, these are not mandated to fill, but again to help customers, we would suggest to fill all the details. It's up to person seller's preference to fill all the details. Now in this case, we are going to give base material. What is the material that we use for used for to make this necklace set? Natural terracotta clay. And closure type. Closure type, we can have different closure types for every necklace. Let's say adjustable thread. You can say adjustable cotton thread. So what sort of closing that necklace set has? If you take earrings as an example, you have a screw back, hook, fish French wire, lever back, latch back. So these are the closures that we can give information to the customer what type of closure it is. And then again comes to design. This is what type of design it is. I would say in this case Lakshmi motif with a green and elegant red stones. And then occasion, what sort of this jewelry applicable to? This whether it is a daily wear, festive season, traditional functions, wedding, cultural events, daily wear. So you can say I would prefer the terracotta is temple wear, which gives more elegance when you are wearing the traditional wear. So this I would say temple wear. I'm using the temple wear as an example in this case. Plating, you have different platings. What sort of plating? Let's say gold plating, silver plating, metallic plating, and in this case, I'm giving an example: hand painted metallic finish plating for this particular necklace set. Sustainable. Again, we have different. What is sustainable material that you used in this particular necklace made of? If you have that information, please fill. Otherwise, leave it at your comfort. And in this case, we know what is the sustainable. Let's say I'm using the biodegradable. Trend whether it is we have a different options to choose from. You can, if you are aware of it, like ethnic, handcrafted, these are the examples that you can use. Artisan jewelry, sustainable fashion. So these are the example. I would say ethnic. So type, I can say we can give a variety of what type represents this necklace set. For example, statement necklace, ethnic set, terracotta jewelry. I would give statement necklace, for example. For example, I just want to not kill this one type, for example, because still you are able to list without giving the options. Again, the next section is quantity and price. So quantity is you can give whether you have a 50 quantity, which will help you to sell. No need to update until 50 quantity is sold. So this is a specialized. I would use fawn. Depends on the stock you have in your store. You can give the quantity and price. Price, I would say, let's say give 3,000 and discount is 10%. So this will help customers to think you are providing discount on top of the regular price. So this is how it displays. I'm going Bagama.com. So I'm opening this earrings. So now, if you look at the sample listing of this product, they are giving 599. They're saying 599 is the regular price. They're giving 34% off, and then which comes to 33. This is the price you are giving to the customer. So we would suggest give the some sort of discount to the customer to feel like they are getting the discounted price on each a product. So delivery charges, we suggest you include delivery charges in the price itself, but always you can give the delivery charges if you want to charge the customer extra, like 100 rupees. So in this case, we have included our price in the listing price itself. Now I'm going to list as zero rupees for the delivery charges. So now this is the specialized feature that we are providing. Additional details, add detail. Additional details is something which you as a seller, you know more details about the product which we might not listed here. And if you want to cover that additional fields, let's say source, we want to say that customer, it is from Rajasthan. Okay, we can say Rajasthan. Save. And then year of manufacturing, 2024. So these are the examples that you can give, but it is open. It will take you any field, any type of just title, product title, and then value, field title. So now I'm going to keep source as a Rajasthan and then delete that year of manufacturing, which not required. Now next is important part for the sellers, return policy. So now we are offering on Bazama platform a 7 days return policy and eligible returns only. If you are a seller, you do not want to accept any returns for this product, select eligible returns only. So eligible returns means if the customer is not satisfied, if the customer doesn't like the color, if the customer doesn't like the quality or anything, they cannot return the product. They cannot return the product as per the return policy guidelines. Eligible returns only applicable if the product is damaged, if the product is not as described in your product listing. So that is when customer should be able to return the product. Otherwise, they cannot they cannot return the product until unless it is damaged or any other reason that you promised as a seller. So now eligible returns only if you do not accept the returns. 7 days return policy. If you choose 7 days return policy, you are agreeing that you are able to accept the product if the customer doesn't like the look of it, doesn't like the color of it. So in this case, you are accepting the returns. So I would choose eligible returns only, which I don't want customers to return our product, or 7 days returns. Based on your preference, please select the respective return policy. And handling time, how many days you need to create the product, to ship the product. Uh, So in this case, I have this product ready. If they're ordering this one, I'm going to give 2 days. In 2 days, I'm able to ship the product. If you need 10 days to make this jewelry not ready product, you have to give 10 days based on your timelines. Uh, so customers will refer to this handling time. Based on that, they will order. So I will choose 2 days for now. And then warranty period, if you give 30 days, if the color, wear or tear, you are assuring that you are providing uh, the warranty for the customers, and you send a replacement. Otherwise, if you don't want, if you don't have any warranty periods, please have a 0. And then tax. So tax is also another important section where it will be helpful when customers search temple jewelry. Then your product listing will come on top of that based on the tags that you give. So in this case, I'm giving some of the sample tags here. Lakshmi jewelry, handcrafted jewelry, co-friendly, festival look. So these tags will help along with the product title and product description for the customer to show your product on Bazama.com. For example, I gave 5 tags in this case. So maximum you can have a 15 tags. Again, this is also mandatory field. At least one tag should be provided for your product listing. Again, this is the last part, taxes. Taxes is not mandatory. I don't have an options here, but you can create, go to taxes section prior to product listing. If you have any products, you are charging taxes for the customer, whether it is CGST, IGST, SGST, whether it is a 13%, 12%, if you are paying taxes to the uh, government. And you can charge the taxes for the customer based on your uh, store preference. So now I have filled all the details in this product single listing. Now we have option here, cancel. That means you are going to lose all the information here, and save as draft. Save as draft means, for example, you want to upload 10, few more pictures. So now I'm going to save as drafter and then work on it later when you have time. So for later listing, you click on save as draft and then send for approval. Immediately send for approval means Bazama team review your product listing, will approve, and then it will goes to Bazama.com live. Once we review the Bazama support, Bazama team reviews the pictures and your product listing, everything matches the standards. So now I click on save as draft. So now product added successfully. Now it is in draft section. So in this listing, you have active listing, drafts, pending approval, sold out, ended. So now it is go to draft. Now I want to edit it. Instead of this, I'm just making the change like this one. So now I made this as a main picture. Now I'm going to send for approval. Now it is successfully go to pending for approval. Whatever the product listings you have, it will go to pending approval. Now we'll ask Bazama team to approve this product. Now, successfully, it is listed on the website. Now you can go and check your product on Bazama.com. When you go to Bazama.com and click on new arrivals, you should be able to see your product is live and showing to the customer for purchase, ready for customers to purchase. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.